that someone else, may have. So welcome, everyone. This is our Friday optional orientation meeting for any CHD online class that you're taking with me, Tracy Murph. So we're going to just kind of look through one of the challenges that many people may be facing is the new way Blackboard looks. Right when we think we figured out something, here comes a change, right? Keeps us on our toes. So we can talk about that, and I can show you a video I dropped into Blackboard last night that might help you with that. So let's start. We have Ashley Odom with us. So Ashley, if you have any questions, we'll start with that, and then I can show you a few new things, especially if you have taken an online class with me before. There might be just a little bit of difference in a few things on Blackboard. So I'm going to let you ask your questions if you have any, and then I'll show you some changes.
I don't really have any questions pertaining to the Blackboard, but I do have a question with the syllabus quiz. That there were 3 videos in the thing. I think it said 4, but anyway, so yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead. No, go ahead and ask your question.
I was just going to say, and then there was some information. There was one question on the syllabus quiz where you had asked what your birthday month was that you said,
and I changed it. Anywhere. No, you could not find it because I changed the video. So I am altering the quizzes. So as people take them, I'm going in and adding in points for that. But just FYI, my birthday's in December.
Okay. Thank you.
So if anybody's watching, then they might get it right now. But I'm going in, Ashley, and altering that. Was there a question on the syllabus quiz that said you have 3 videos to watch, and now there's actually 4? Or not?
I think I read somewhere that there was 4 videos. That was
yes. I changed that last night. There used to only be 3. There was the how to navigate the getting started page, how to navigate content, and then how to be successful online. And then yesterday, Wallace Community College put out an informational video on the new Blackboard Ultra. I guess that's what it's called. And so I dropped that in on the Getting Started page too, just so everybody would have it and they wouldn't have to go searching for it somewhere else, So there used to be 3, now there's 4, and that happened as of last night. But I felt like putting the Wallace produced video about Blackboard on the Getting Started page might be an easier way for folks to find it. So that will be that. So which class is it about the birth date? 208 or not?
208.
Okay, 208, guys. So if you are watching this video and you have a concern about the syllabus quiz on 208, don't fret. I am fixing it as we go, okay? I changed a couple grades last night for folks that have taken it. Just a reminder about the syllabus quiz. It's due Sunday night, 11:59, and that is the only thing for this first week. The 19th, 20th, 21st, and 22nd. So it would be like Thursday through Sunday that you have to get done. Okay. So any other questions?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen if I can. And here we go. Share my entire screen. It looks like you're going down a tunnel, which is the craziest thing ever. So I'm going to come to Blackboard real quick and just show you this is what you might be seeing. I always access my Blackboard here. You can also go to IMA, but I find it easier because you don't have to do as many clicks here. It comes up just like this. You see this blue? Please click here and watch this video on how to navigate the new Blackboard experience. That is the exact same video that I dropped into your Getting Started page. Okay, so if you've watched this one, you don't have to watch the others. Now, I'm assuming, Ashley, does your Blackboard look just like this one that is on the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so, you can click on your name right here and you can change some things if you want. There's my birthday for you. But I think somewhere you'll be at, you can do this as well, okay? I have not quite figured out yet about Activity Stream, except for the fact that it allows you to know what you've got coming up. Okay. I have really just concentrated here on courses. Now, I did learn this and I love this. When I opened up my Blackboard for the very first time, this is how my courses looked. They were long like this. Okay. Did yours look like this, Ashley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you click this window pane, it gives you this.
Ooh,
And
okay.
I, as a visual person, prefer this so much better. So that you can alter that just by clicking, sorry, my phone's ringing, just by clicking on this window pane. Okay, so that's to me, I love this feature. Okay, now I'm just going to pick CHD 208 because you know that all the Blackboard courses that are online, and pretty much even if you have me in person, they all look exactly the same. So we're just going to look at this one really quickly. This is the Getting Started page. Of course, peruse this. Make sure you do all of these things. In order to fare well on the syllabus quiz, you're going to really need to go through, like, even click on all of these things and read them, okay? Just so you know. Do all of this. I've had a couple people already request to join our Facebook group. So if you have not done that yet, do that. This is the new video. There used to only be this one, and this one. Now I've added in this one and changed it to 4. To access these videos, you simply click here, and you'll be able to, it's not there, is it? Huh, okay.
No, ma'am.
You know, I love stuff like this. Okay, so that's why I do this, right? So there you go. That's what you're probably trying to tell me, and you were like, lady, you're not getting what I'm telling you. All courses need new video. Okay, I'm making myself a note. Okay, I'll add that. So hey, when you log back in here in just a few minutes, you're gonna have 4 videos on here, okay? And when you click on the folder, so there you go. Good to know. Good to know. All right, communication, click here. Here's the ways that you can communicate with me. This is right here, guys. These are the days that I will be hanging out in Blackboard Collaborate. Mondays, 9:45 to 10:15. Wednesdays, 3:30 to 4. I tried to get for the morning folks and then some folks in the afternoon. If you click this blue link, it will take you directly to the virtual office link. Okay, I'll just be in there hanging out. You have any questions about anything, you let me know. Now, if these hours don't work for you in these days, you know all you have to do is send me a course mail, and I can meet with you any other time. I can send you a link, and we can do it that way, okay? So never a problem. Don't ever think that, oh, well, I can't see her because she's only available these days. No. I'm available to you whenever you need me, okay? So make sure that you have acquired the textbook. Also, there was a question about the, here's your course calendar. You know, if you've had me for any class, the course calendar is very, very specific. It goes by day, and it tells you exactly what's due when. Okay, and remember, in an online class, everything is due on Sunday night that it is assigned at 11:59. So next week, week 2 is August 23rd, which is a Monday, through August 29th, which is a Sunday. So all these assignments, as stated right here, are due August 29th, 11:59 p.m. Remember, you have 7 days for a late assignment, but we will grade them for accuracy and then deduct the number of points per day. And you can find that policy right here on the late work policy, okay? Here's discussion board policy. Please, 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 please read this policy, okay? It tells you exactly what you've got to do to earn full points. So if you don't get full points on your discussion and you wonder why, maybe read this, okay? Because this will tell you exactly what you got to do to earn the full points. And remember, all discussion boards require an initial post and then, of course, a response post, okay? So read through that. Make sure you make sure you're well aware of that. Go ahead and get your book. We have added, just FYI, this is the book for 208 because I happen to be in that class right now, but we've added this Alabama Standards for Early Learning and Development into all of our classes. I will tell you that we probably are not going to use this particular book right here in 208, but you will use it in every other class that you take. So that's why we kind of put that on there. I just noticed that this is lined through, so I'll come back in here and fix that under textbook info. But in order to get your books, you do have to make an appointment at the bookstore, and so I'll unline that, and you just go to this link right here and make an appointment, okay, so that you can pick up your textbooks. Make sure you get them because you're going to need it starting next week. And then there's that same thing up there that needs to be deleted. So there you go. I'll fix that. Let's see if that's got all four. No. Okay, so I'll fix that in just a minute and take that away. Content looks exactly the same, guys. This is just an FYI here. All of your assignments are here. If you click here, they go by week 1, and the dates are here, okay? You open them up, you'll find everything that you need in there. All of the discussion boards are already open, all of the assignments are open, and all of the quizzes are open. They stay open, so if you want to work ahead, you are welcome to. However, if you choose to work ahead and you're on week 8 and it's just week 2, don't get frustrated when I'm not grading week 8 work yet, okay? I grade the work when it is due, okay? So if it's and if I get some free time, I might get work ahead, but at the end of week 2, I grade week 2 work. End of week 3, I grade week 3 work, okay? It's just kind of how I keep a mental checklist going in my head to make sure I get it all done, okay? So don't get frustrated. If it's sitting in there and says needs to be graded, then that means I got it, okay? And I know it's there. Also, one more thing to remember. If you do not submit your assignments on the day they are due, okay? And they're due Sunday night, 11:59. On Monday morning, I come in and I start grading. I put a 0 in the grade book because you did not submit your work. Okay, but you do it Monday night. That 0 stays there. Okay, I know you submitted it. I can see it on my end. Okay, so don't panic. I sent it in and she's not changed the grade. It's just as long as you still see that it says needs grading on your end, that means I've received it. And once I grade it for accuracy, then deduct the points, then I'll go back into gradebook and change that 0. Okay. It alerts me, and I have a little system over here on my end from the instructor side of Blackboard that lets me know that. I put that 0 in as a placeholder. 2 reasons. I can bird's eye view the grade book and say, oh, Tracy forgot to do this assignment. And it also allows you to look at the assignment and go, oh gosh, I forgot to do it. Okay, so that's why I do it that way. So here's all the content. It's all here for class lectures and assignments, and it goes all the way down. We will have a proctored final exam in CHD 208, as well as this week 14 and 15 assignment will also count as your part of your final grade. So it's your final in 208 is kind of a 2-part thing, okay? Don't panic about this just yet. I'll send some videos about it as we get closer to time. One more thing I want to talk to you about before we end is announcements. You should have seen, I'm scrolling to the bottom, you should have seen this announcement right here. Welcome to CHD 208. Guys, every Monday morning a new announcement is going to drop in for you, okay? I will have a little video right here by week that just kind of tells you, some people like to listen to it instead of read it all. It's a good reminder, whatever. I try to do it both ways. But I'm going to tell you what's going on, what's coming up this week, what's happening at the college, what kind of email might you be getting that you need to check. So I think announcements are a great reminder, quick little snippet of what's happening, okay? So take advantage of that and Use them to your benefit. They drop in on Monday morning at midnight, 12:01, I guess, and then they come off at 11:59 the following Sunday. Okay, so they stay there all week long. I have had lots of people say, I love the announcements and the weekly reminders, that they do just that. They remind me. So take advantage of it. All right, I think that's all I have. Remember, if you're in class, you are wearing a mask. If you come to Wallace for anything, bring your mask. And Ashley, can you think of anything else?
No, ma'am, not at this moment.
Okay. So I hope everyone has I'm going to stop sharing very quickly and come back to this. So I hope everyone has a wonderful fall semester, and please know, I think most of you who have taken me for any course know I am very easily accessible, and just message me. Send me a course mail message. Some of you call my office phone, which is usually forwarded to my cell phone, so I'm going to get the message. So, and answer you. So just call me. Don't sit over there and fret. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Don't do that. But save yourself some grief and just ask me, okay? And we'll get through it. So I hope everybody has a wonderful fall semester. Thanks, Ashley, for joining me.
Thank you.
I'll be happy to meet with any of you. So contact me if you need me, okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.